Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use a voice changer in CapCut PC. So to do that, I'm just going to record myself saying something real quick here. Just change the microphone. 3, 2, 1. Testing 1, 2, 3. And to use the voice changer, just go to voice changer here and you can use any filters that you want. There is a lot of options you can choose from. There's one like where you're in a parking lot, I guess. Let me try that. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, like, okay, I understand what it meant. There's teenager, ethereal, aircraft podcast. Testing 1, 2, 3. And other options as well. There's voice characters, and you can make yourself sing in this. Oh, there's Cranky Kitten. I'm curious. Okay, I guess it's not gonna.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Interesting. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.